Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day and something a little bit different today, okay? FGI. Now, why I'm bringing this up, first of all, if you were in the room on Friday, you know we had this crazy action in this KSCP. And I was actually fortunate enough to take it towards the end of the day. And this KSCP, I mean, it just ramped up here. This is after hours action. I mean, it went from about 14 to $27. You know, I was able to participate. I always call it but the middle two-thirds. But the reason I'm talking about FGI right now is that FGI had a very similar look in terms of it was an IPO a couple of days before. Very hardly any shares were released. I think about 4 million. Etc. So I thought maybe, you know, today being Monday, FGI might have a shot at doing something similar to what the other one did. Now, I'm not saying it, I wasn't suggesting it was going to get up to $27. The bottom line, though, is that this was the action in the pre-market. But what I really want to show you is our new racing feature. Now, hopefully I can bring it. Just a minute. There we go. Okay, this is gonna. So you see this new racing car feature that we've got, and this is FGI right here, and you notice it says 4.76%. Okay, so what's happening is I saw that when it was doing this. Okay, it was starting to run, and that's when we started seeing in this little racing car feature that it was doing this. This is another way of looking at a top list. Now, why this is interesting to me is that typically I only see stocks when they're making new highs of the day or new lows of the day. That's what all my scans are set up for. I'm not a big pullback player, but I'm recognizing though that with this racing car feature is that, you know, if I see something that is running, I'll take a look at it, and that's when it was starting to run. And, you know, I'm thinking, okay, this is a way which I can maybe start participating in stocks that have pulled back and are starting to run. Now, listen, I could have also got it when it was making a new high and running from there also. But, you know, for me, somebody who doesn't play a lot of pullbacks, this is a really, really interesting way of looking at it. And all it is just looking at my watch list, okay? My top list window, it's a watch list. And you know, and these races are being run every 2 minutes, so there could be another one, you know, another stock the next time. So I'm really going to start paying attention to the races now, especially to try to play stocks that maybe have pulled back and then start to run again. So this is all available. You have to download the latest beta from our website. Go to our download and download the latest beta from the website, and you can see all the different channels that we now have. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. All geared towards racing now. We've got, you know, you want to take a look at the S&P 500. There it is. This is a price and volume one. But here's the friends and I think this is stock. These are stocks that are, you know, widely followed stocks, the Teslas and all that. But you can create your own race. You can just take your top list and create your own race with your own symbol list if you want. That's all I've done with my watch list. So pretty exciting. It's a new feature, and I think it's just going to grow and grow and grow, and it could become extremely popular. All right, I want to get back into the trading room. So if you have any questions for me, use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.